DEERC D20 mini drone for kids with 720p HD FPV camera, remote control toys, gifts for boys, girls with altitude hold, headless mode, 1 key start, speed adjustment, 3D flips, 2 batteries, silver in color. About this item: 1. HD pictures and live videos. D20 equipped with 720p HD Wi-Fi camera to take better aerial photos and videos. With FPV transmission, you can see the sky from a live video feed through smartphone app. 2. Best drone toy for kids. Fly D20 is magically simple. Just tap the 1 key start, landing button to start the fly. Altitude hold can maintain the drone at a certain height, which makes it so easy to control and take high-quality footage. 3. Powerful and safe. Features with low power alarm, emergency stop, and 4 propeller guards to ensure a safe flight. 2 rechargeable and powerful batteries support up to 20 minutes, charge safe and fly longer. 4. 3D flips and waypoints. Fly. Pushing the control sticks inwards to perform an impressive flip. Drawing a flight course on your smartphone, the drone will fly accordingly. Add funds to your flight. Voice control and gesture selfie. 5. Allow to control the drone with simple voice comments like takeoff, landing. Post a V sign or palm in front of the camera. The drone can automatically take photos or video, good for selfie. Thanks for watching the video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel to encourage us. If you are interested in product purchase, please check the link given in the description. DEERC D20 mini drone for kids.